This item was finally created. It has two wheels, a large gear, a small gear, and a drive gear, a follower wheel, and a hexagonal handle. If you have an electric drill at home, just attach it and you're ready to go. If there's a spring, install it like this to secure it. This way it won't wobble. What's it used for? It's for cutting metal. Want to cut metal tiles at home? It's perfect. No need for barriers. It's very easy to use. You can go slow or fast. It won't cut the back. Like this, you can cut snowboards, floorboards, anything. It won't flip. After that, make a semicircle or whatever shape you need.